when people ask what you do and you tell them you work at Hyundai, I mean, it's a pretty good feeling, you know, and you know, this is almost like the dream job of Montgomery, Alabama. If you work here, you know, you're doing something. When I walked in the door the first day, it was you kind of take a step back and your eyes get big and you're like, wow. I mean, it was almost like, am I really good enough to do this, you know? But you know, the people here that, you know, they coach you up and they train you the way you need to be trained. But the technology that we see every day is remarkable, it really is. And how we went from people doing it to now full automation is incredible. We use computers, you know, PLC, HMIs, robots, and then math. You know, robots use math and calculating offsets and things like that. When I first started, you know, I was a little intimidated by a robot. You know, you look at that thing and it's 10 feet tall and you're like, wow, you know, I'm about to control this thing. We've got over 364 robots in our shop alone, and I think they're going to be adding more here soon. If you can understand the robots and work with robots and understand how they work, you will 100% have a job out here, and a very good job out here. You know, as many robots as we have, there's always going to have a robot guy. You know, we got one on call pretty much 24/7. So there's always a future in robotics out here. Hyundai I know they ain't going nowhere anytime soon. You know, the way they handle things and do things, they're going to be around a long time, and then build better cars every year. They're making changes constantly. You know, and as far as maintenance field, you know, if there's robots over there running, they're going to have maintenance, somebody to work on them. And then there'll always be production, you know, spots available too. Somebody's got to put parts on cars, things like that. So as long as they're building cars, there'll be opportunities for, you know, jobs. It's a wonderful place to work, and it's remarkable that it's here in Alabama.